Coming onto your screen soon is Zimdancehall Unstoppable TV program.
This is Fire Paper Original, born bad man from Gangster Age, and you are watching Zimdancehall Unstoppable. I must say,
Get to meet and hear from your favorite artists.
Let's jump straight into the show, and our first guest on Zimdancehall Unstoppable is a young man who's been in the industry for quite a long time. He's made us dance to his amazing, great tracks. He's also got some serious stage presence, and he's one of the most underrated musicians, according to me, one of the finest artists in the Zim dancehall scene. Anzi Zakaipa Daindarika. Obviously, we're talking about Freeman. Time yangori kumusha watu wakambokorera kumushambidza vakamuenda kuchikoro nebhutsu dzaishinya here unozivatikana
aiwa ipapa I don't know lie. When I was younger, my mom used to do everything for me. Can I even kuchikoro ndiri ball uniform everything my bhutsu noshinya mine nazipfeka maida dautoimba
saka pane time wakamboshaya kana mari
I've got a song though. I listed everything. Yani anoziva kwakatangira kurova ngoma ndichiri mudiki ndichapfeka hembe dzamukoma. Yani anoziva pandakambonoita show kubangeti pastage ndine bhusu ndigere. It was real and yaidzimba. I couldn't believe it.
wakamborara pasi here kana unoda kushaya mari yekombi zvakambokudzvanyira here zvezvo zvatonoshaya kuti how am I gonna make it?
It's obvious. It's really obvious because it's supposed to get up ghetto much. And ndakakurira muno Mbare. Madhays atakakura zvinhu zvakatooma wese. Mwaisa. Madhays angu ekutanga kunotsvaka basa. Ndakanosenza kuchipembera. Ndakrosa netsoka ndakadai sokutown. Ndakadzoka every day. Ndikambotenga bike. One day ndichinosenzera kubhiography yangu. Bike rikandifira ndinozira wega. Ndikanosvika kugiraphi ndipicha bike.
Don, a young man who's done amazingly well on the music scene. Zim dancehall music has definitely taken over. He's won awards and he's definitely shown that he is a force to reckon with. Doba Don, did you say?
Yeah, man, did you
ball? I was saying my running correct. And did it?
Yeah, man.
Doba Don, Jagambova Kobe.
Doba Don is a mfana mona. Ndingatongoti mari ndakatondisenza kuti ndinoita zvandinoita because ndinorangarira mutori nekumama yangu chiita izvozvo.
Unoda mama yako chiita izvozvo. I remember there was a time when you were a victim of cyberbullying. How did you handle that?
In as much as it was very difficult, I did go through a difficult time. You know, when you are like, you are all over the social media. Now I have a family, I have children, I have a husband, I have in-laws. Your picture is put there per group
and it goes viral.
Mango Mangaje, Nyatsocheka ma settings. It's blast after blast. Subscribe now and never miss the hilarious interview Zim Digital TV Online is lined up for you. Welcome 2017. Zimdancehall Unstoppable.
Chamba bora chanoite musamusoro ndida wiki ine ndichinona pachikoro ndara vanivhunza chikonzero andoniwana nandichura brongasem you are watching Zim Dancehall Unstoppable.
Thank you for watching this program, Zimdancehall Unstoppable. If you are a Zimdancehall artist or producer, get in touch with us for an interview. Viewers, remember, this program is free to share. Welcome 2017, Zimdancehall Unstoppable.